Hey, all my friends, relatives, and cousins. Today, I'm going to hopefully simplify and show you how to decide whether or not you're going to place calls or puts. A call meaning that you think the market is going to go up with a call option, or puts where you think the market is going to go down with a put option. Also, if you hang around till the end, I'm going to show you a bonus chart that I'm also looking at for tomorrow, which will be Monday, April 6th. So I'm recording this video on Sunday, Easter Sunday. Looking at this chart now that I'm pointing to, this was a chart from Thursday, April 2nd. And I'm showing you Thursday, April 2nd, because Friday, April 3rd was Good Friday, and there was no trading whatsoever. So my last trading day was Thursday. And I had already drawn in this purple box down here. And as you guys can see, the market broke out to the upside on Thursday. Now, here where I'm pointing to, right after this little gray area, this black area is where the market opened. So it shot up a little bit, shot down a little bit. I've learned to wait for confirmation to see if I would get another green candle before doing anything. So we didn't get another green candle until it got over here. So this was the place to buy. And the reason I bought call options was because the price was above this blue 20 period moving average and also above this 200 period moving average. So I've learned that if the price, now this is a 2 minute chart, so that means that each one of these candles is 2 minutes in length. And I've learned that if the price is above these two moving average lines, I'm doing nothing but calls, nothing. So I'm staying in the trade as long as it stays above these lines. Now, as you can see, it went up quite a ways on Thursday. And this anywhere in here was a good area to either take your profits and walk away or stay in as far as you can. Now, as we can see, by the time we got to around 9:38 in the morning, it had turned pink. You got a pink candle here. So it was a good time to take your profits. Even if you stayed in the market, you would still have been above the blue line, but you would have been giving back some of the profits that you made from getting in this area all the way up to here. So this was a good place to just get out, take your profits, and walk away anywhere in here, especially if you got in the market way down here. Now, as you guys can see, the rest of the day, let me kind of show you. I'm trying to move this over. The rest of the day, it was sideways. It was no real trades here. You still would have been looking at calls, but there was no reason to take a call because nothing was shooting back up and there was really no trades in this area. So all of your money would have been made anywhere between around 8:35, 8:40 to around 9:30, depending on when you got in the market. And that would have been your complete trade for the day. So now the rest of the day, like I said, I'm showing you guys the rest of the day, it just continued sideways. So with no reason to trade. I was long, long gone by then. Now, this gray area, we're in the overnight area session. So I'm just waiting now to see what happens come Monday morning. It's going to continue on. So Monday morning, if the market will open again, and there'll be more opportunities either with calls or puts, depending on where the moving averages are. So remember, if the price is above the 200 period moving average, which is white, and the blue moving average, 20 period moving average, which is blue, I'm going for calls. If it starts to break down and drop, I'm going for puts. But only Monday will tell, and we'll wait until Monday to see. Now, I promised you guys a little bonus, and I want you guys to see what else I'm looking at. So let me close this up. And now just look here at this chart. This chart just happens to be a chart of BP, which is British Petroleum. And I'm looking at gas prices. And as you guys know, let me open up this chart. Now, this is a daily chart. And when I say a daily chart, that means each one of these candles is 1 day in length. So this was last Thursday. This was Thursday. And as you guys look at it, as you're starting to learn about trading, of course, gas prices have been going up. So my thing is it going to continue up? If gas prices continue up, there's buying opportunities with call options right there. So instead of complaining about the gas pump, just make your money from the charts, from trading. Make your money, and that will more than make up the difference from the price of the gas pump. So if it continues up, I am looking right now for calls. And remember, like I said on the other chart, price is above the blue 20-period moving average. It's above the 200-period moving average. So right now, from this perspective, we're looking at possibly prices going up again, but only time will tell. But I'm keeping my eye on it, and I have alerts set in this particular area at certain price points. So if I get an alert, I'll know that the price is either going up higher from these alerts or is starting to drop. And I can take a look and make a decision at that time. So I hope this little short video has helped you. You know I'm looking at the SPY tomorrow, which I do every day. But as a side note, I'm also looking at gas and oil prices because there may be opportunities to make additional money right there. So thank you all for watching. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not trying to tell you guys what to trade, but I just want you to know that the opportunity is out there. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and hit that little bell notification so that every time I come out with a new video, you'll automatically receive that video and know that I've done a new one. So have a great rest of the weekend, and let's have a good trading week next week. Take care until the next time.